Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we'll be going through our £20,000 portfolio, which is about $26,000. So this is a joint amount of both our portfolios on two different investment accounts. So we'll be showing you what stocks we're invested in, how much we're invested, and how much we've made from those stocks. So obviously some stocks will be good, some will be bad, but it's just to kind of show you what the stock market is like and just kind of what kind of companies we're invested in. So obviously we're not going to go into too much details about the different stocks or company. For this video we just want to kind of show you the stocks we're invested in, but in future videos we'll be doing more stock analysis on different stocks we plan to invest in, or maybe it's a stock we currently hold but we plan to put more money or buy more shares from that stock. So we'll be doing a deeper analysis on why we want to invest more money into that stock. So yeah, so just for this video we just kind of want to show you what the stock market is like and the potential in the stock market, and just kind of show you from our experience how we've been doing in the stock market.
And we just want to let you guys know that the purpose of this video is not to brag, but we just want to show you what we managed to achieve in the stock market over the past 4 weeks, and we want to help you too. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that noti bell to get weekly buying updates so you can join us on our journey in the stock market.
Just a quick disclaimer, so we're not financial advisors, we're just two young people getting into the investment space, want to help other people looking to get into the investment space. So we just hope you can kind of learn from us, but don't buy a stock because we've bought the stock. But yeah, we just hope we can help you navigate your way in the stock market.
So we're going to link our socials below, so if you do have any questions regarding the stock market, you can come and ask us. You also got a comment section to ask us questions, and we're happy to help you to the best of our abilities.
Okay, so I'm going to go first and go through my portfolio, so let's just get started. Okay guys, so this is my first portfolio. So this is my ISA account, and then on this app I've also got my normal general investment account. So in this account I'm up £1,360, so that's about 16% of my investment, which is just over 7,000. So in total I'm at £8,432 and 7 pence. So this is just like an overview of all the stocks that I hold in this account. So the first stock is Tesla. So Tesla here I'm up nearly 24% from my investment. So yeah, so with Tesla I bought back in, I believe, September the 8th. That's when I bought back in, because I sold it after the stock split. Then when the market went down and there was a massive dip, I bought back in at a lower cost space, hence why I'm up this much in a short period of time. Then the next stock we've got NEO. So NEO I'm up just nearly 7%. So yeah, so NEO's been kind of not doing much for a very long time, but last week it kind of took off and now I'm up nearly 7%, but for a very long time it didn't do much. So I invested in NEO on August 27th, and it's only now that it's kind of picking up, but I definitely see the long-term growth in NEO. And both NEO and Tesla I don't see myself selling for a very long time. Then here we've got Workhorse, so nearly up by 90%, nearly 90%. Then so that's, I've invested about £800 and I'm up 720, so that's nearly double the money I invested. So once it gets to 100%, that'll be double my investment. So this will be like my first home run, or my first like just 100% investment. But yeah, I'm very excited to see where Workhorse goes. Obviously in the next coming weeks the stock is going to keep going up because of the USPS contract coming soon that hopefully Workhorse gets. But yeah, we'll see. Then we've also got here Skyworks. So Skyworks, I'm not up much, so just 0.5%, but I've not lost either, so yeah, that's good. So yeah, I definitely see this company taking off when the 5G comes out, but we'll just have to keep watching. Then here we've got Tortoise, the shell company. So yeah, that one I'm doing very well in. So up 27.58%. Yeah, so that one I definitely see a future growth, especially with a merger coming in a couple weeks time. Yeah, so there's a merger coming in a couple weeks time, so we should see the stock keep going up over the next few weeks. Then we've got here Slack, which I just recently got invested in on 16th of September. So yeah, so I'm just up 2% on this investment. And so like I said, it's a new company I just invested in, but I definitely see this company doing big stuff in the future. And just in case you don't know, a lot of the stocks I'm investing in are growth companies that I plan on holding for the next 5, even 10 years. Because I see the growth in the company, I see them getting big, and in hindsight, making me a lot of money. The next company here is Dropbox, which is down minus 0.28%. So yeah, I bought into this like a month ago, so August the 21st, and it's not done much for me. But yeah, but I definitely see the long-term growth in Dropbox. Then last company on this portfolio, we've got Upwork. Yeah, up nearly 5%. Only £410 invested. But yeah, so far so good. Yeah, it's just been kind of up and down, as you can see. So not much movement. But yeah, so that's this portfolio. Then my ISA account, I've only got 3 stocks here. So again, I've got Tortoise, shell company. Then I've got Facebook, which is currently down, and I'm looking to even buy more share of Facebook on this account and kind of add to my investment and kind of lower my cost base, because as you can see, I'm down nearly 5%. So I just take this opportunity as a sell opportunity to buy more shares at a lower cost. Then we've got Nordstrom here, which is a US department store that sells designer goods. Then okay, so my third portfolio is on 212. So on this portfolio, I've got, so this is the ISA accounts. Yeah, 212 ISA account. So most of my investment here is on Tesla. So that's nearly 80% is on Tesla. Then I've got 2 new companies that I just invested in last week. So we've got Churchill Capital Corporation and we've got Hennessy Capital Acquisition. So these 2 companies I just recently got into, and I'm hoping we might do a video in the coming week regarding these 2 new companies and if you should buy into it as well. So yeah, so just watch out for that. But yeah, not much going on in this account. So again, Tesla up over 20%, with a average cost space of, let me see, average cost space of $351.92, and right now it's $441.94. So yeah, so this company so Tesla's doing very well at the moment, obviously with the battery day coming tomorrow. So yeah, so both portfolios I've held for just a month now. So I started them on August the 20th, and today's September the 21st. So it's just been a month that I started these portfolios, and so far in total I'm probably up maybe 13% and 14%. So yeah, so far I'm doing well, but obviously the market has its good days, good weeks, bad weeks. Yeah, but I personally believe in the companies I'm invested in, and I see the long-term growth. So I'm not looking to back out of any investment anytime soon. So I'm just kind of keep doing my research into the different companies and see maybe there's another company or stock I can invest into. And as you can see on my 212 account, I've got £2,000 free fund that I've not invested, so I've not included that. So I've got 11,500 in total invested, and I've made, then I've got 2,000 sitting on the side just to kind of add to my stocks and my cost base. So in total it's 13,500, but obviously the 2,000 is just like a on the side, and I always recommend having money on the side just so you can add on the bad days, so you can add to your cost base and lower your cost base and get the stocks at a cheaper price. So yeah, so that's my whole portfolio, and I hope it can help you maybe get started on your portfolio, and we hope to make more videos to help you get started. So yeah, keep watching. Okay guys, so that's my portfolio under 2 investment apps. So that's a joint total of, I believe, £11,500. So obviously over time I hope to grow this portfolio to 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, and eventually £1 million. But obviously that's going to take time, and I'm just going to keep learning more about the stock market, educate myself on different companies, different stocks that I see potential in, and hopefully educate you too, and help you and help anyone that's just getting into the stock market and into investing. But yeah, so
guys, I'll be taking you through my portfolio now, so let's just get into it. Alright guys, so this is one of my 3 portfolios. So as you can see, I'm up £813. I started this account around 5 to 6 weeks ago, but like for the first 1 to 2 weeks, it was just me testing out the stock market, just dipping my foot in the water a bit, seeing what it was about. So yeah, it's been a good return in 4 weeks, and I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. The first stock I want to talk about is Tesla, and Tesla, whew, unbelievable. This stock in the past year has 10x. So you could just imagine anyone who invested last year right now will be banking. But yeah, I'm up £333. It should be up more, but I did sell the stock at one point because it started to rise too quickly. There was like a bubble, and then it did dip again. So I sold before that little dip in the stock price, and I rebought back into it just to make that little bit of profit. But of course, we'll explain that in later videos. So yeah, I'm up 20% in the past week on Tesla. Past month, Tesla itself is up 17.15%, which is a very good return. On the year, 807%. So you can imagine, that's absolutely insane. So yeah, I'm just going to move on to the next stock, NIO, known as the Chinese Tesla. Like Tesla, they make electric vehicles. NIO are doing pretty well right now, So I see on the weekly chart, they're up almost 4%, a monthly chart up 35%, which is a very good return. And it's a bit of a slower riser for me, up £48. I haven't put too much in there so far. I do feel like it's one of them ones though, it can do well in the future. It has the potential there. I'm not really into the Chinese stocks like that because of the relationship with America, but NIO's the one exception for me. I like their fundamentals, I like their values. I think this one's gonna head to $25, $30 in the future. And the next one here, Upwork. Upwork is a freelancer. In the past month, it's up 2.5%. There's not too much activity, and I'm down 16p as you can see. But I feel like in the future, Upwork will be very useful to many businesses and companies. And yeah, I can see this one heading to $20 easily and more. And last but not least, Amazon. The thing is, I used to have shares in Amazon. I don't know, I took it out and I just left £2 in there. I don't know if I left £2 in there, but we're down 4% this week. Not a great week for Amazon at all. So yeah, I'm gonna just show you my next portfolio. All right guys, so as you can see here, this is my Trading 212 portfolio. I made this one just under a month ago. I think it'll be a month in a couple of days. But as you can see here, we started off just a little bit. We took a bit of a red day here, a little bit of a loss, but the best thing about the stock market is if you're patient, it just recovers. If you believe in the companies, it just recovers. As you can see here, it's going up, the profits going up, and I took a bit of money out here to put in the ISA, but the profit still continued, and we're ending off at £741, which is a very nice profit for someone who's invested though. £1,540. So yeah, the first company I want to take you through is HCHC. As you can see here, it did peak around here.
the hype of the merger announcement did go down just a little bit, and I bought in just around here, so I'm pretty sure it could reach these heights again. It's just a matter of time as we approach the merger. And the next company for me is Shell, and this company's done very well in my opinion, up 85% on the monthly chart, which is insane. And it has gone down a little bit recently, but it's recovering nicely as we approach the merger of Halion. So yeah, up 11% on that, £50, nothing too special. But as I said, there's room to grow for Shell. And then the next one we have, which has done insane over the past month, up 90%, almost 100%. So this stock is almost doubled in price, and that's Workhorse. And I'm telling you now, this has been the one for me. It's made me most of my money. As you can see, up 72%, almost £700 up. And with this one, I just kept adding in at the dips. I didn't have money to put everything in one go. So every time I got an opportunity, I just kept adding. And on any dips, any slight dip, I'll be adding more. I can't lie, I'll be adding more. I feel like this has got room to run to $35-40 at least, especially with the merger, with the USPS still upcoming, which I believe they should get the majority of. So yeah, I'm moving on to the trading ISO. I just made this recently, very recently actually. And the first company I have here is DPHC. And this one also has an upcoming merger. And as you can see, this one's insane, up 108% on the monthly chart. It's ridiculous. I wish I knew about this one before. I think I did actually, I just didn't know which platform to find it on. But now that I found it, it's doing pretty well for me so far. Up 5% already, up £20. Very nice. The next one is PIC, Pivotal Investment Corporation. And this one, yeah, this is one I recently bought into. I feel like this one's got room to grow, especially the upcoming merger, so I'm very excited about that. Got 23 shares in there right now. And last but not least, we got Skyworks Solutions. And Skyworks, I'm down on that right now. It's down almost 5%, now 4%, down £5. So yeah, but I feel like as the 5G technology starts to roll through, Skyworks has got a lot of room to grow. So I'm just going to hold on to that one for now. And yeah, just wait for it to recover. Yeah, and this is my last trading portfolio, and I think I made this one around 1.5 weeks ago, and I'm already up 20%, £400. So as you can see, it was a bit of a bumpy start here, not great, but it recovered very nicely, and I'm up £400. So the first one we have here is Apple. Apple's taking a bit of a dip this week, down 5%, which isn't great. But I feel like as it starts to roll out the new phones, they'll recover again. As you may know, they just had their stock split. So, and the price did run a bit. So I feel like this is just the correction that's happening right now. So I do feel like in the long term, Apple will be back. They'll be back. So I just hold on to this one for now. I did take a bit out of it short term, just to distribute it in other areas. So I'll be adding to my position in Apple as my income starts to flow in small. And the next one we have here, DPHC again. Got more shares in this one, up almost 20%, £64, which is very nice. Very happy with that. Also got Facebook, which has had a bit of a, like Apple, a bit of a rough week, down 5% as well. I did take most of the shares out just to distribute in other areas like Tesla, like PIC, like Workhorse. So yeah, I'll be re-adding to that position very soon. But I just thought I'll put my money where it's best right now. So PIC, as I said in the other portfolio, does have room to run. It's got an upcoming merger, and I feel like this one can hit the 15, can hit the 20, so I'm quite excited about that. And then we have Tesla, up 24% in this account. Got 3.34 shares. Tesla has on the monthly chart, yeah, they did have a stock split and the price started to run, run to 500. I was back down, and I bought in at here, like literally here. This when I started to buy into Tesla, when it dipped here. And I thought, because when it was here, I was considering it, but I was like, let me just wait. The prices ran too far, too fast. Let me just be patient, and it paid off. So I've saved around almost $200 a share here, which is amazing. And it started to run from there, especially with the battery day coming up on Tuesday. So yeah, I'm very happy with that return. And I have some more workhorse here. I bought into this one a bit later, didn't start this account that long ago. So yeah, I'm up 35%. So I'm still very happy with the return, still a very good return here, very pleased with that. So yeah, and that's it guys, that's my portfolio. So hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
So guys, that's my whole portfolio. As you can see, it's around £8,000. I hope to grow that to 5 figures by the end of the year, 6 figures one day, 7 figures, that's my aim. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that noti bell. We'll be back with more videos educating you on what stocks to buy. And as I said before, if you do have any questions, you could just drop it in the comments below. You got our socials as well. We're happy to help you and educate you on any questions you may have. So we'll see you in the next video.
And thank you.